Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about United Breweries Limited, and we are going to look at the price action of United Breweries Limited on 4-hour chart. So we are going to discuss about this excellent uptrend that we see on the stock prices here, and this particular uptrend has rallied almost 40% so far. And we will try to understand whether this particular uptrend will continue further or not. Alright, so let us get started. So at first, we can notice a very good uptrend in the stock prices. We can clearly see that, right? So the uptrend has rallied all the way from 1075 till 1499, and this particular uptrend, also called as markup phase, has given very good trading opportunity for trend traders. So if you are a trend trader, you can look at all these PB setups, and these setups have given us wonderful opportunity to take our entries. We could have easily taken our entries and exits within these PB setups. So and after this particular PB setup, after 3 PB setups, quickly we can see that the volume has increased in the stock prices. There was a huge increase in the trading volume, and along with the increase in the trading volume, right now we can also see some strong bearish candles, right? So if you look at the current price action, if you look at the present candlesticks on the right edge of the chart, you can notice some strong selling pressure, some strong selling activity over here. So we are seeing huge increase in the volume as well as a strong selling pressure. So what does it mean? So does it mean the trend will reverse altogether, or does it mean the trend will continue further? So what does it indicate? Well, to be precise, when we look at all this increase in the volume, and when we look at the size of the candles and the momentum of the selling pressure, everything, we can clearly understand that there are some big orders are entering into the market. We can see some involvement of some big players, right? So if we see a few more bearish candles of the same size, if we see a few more strong bearish candles, we can clearly confirm that big players are actually engaging in the stock. They are trying to distribute the positions, or they are trying to liquidate their positions. They are trying to square off their trades. So given all these things, given the strong increase in the selling pressure, given the indication of big players, and some increase in the volume as well, we can see a kind of a bearish sentiment in this particular stock. Right? We can clearly understand there is a bearish sentiment is going on this particular stock price. So what is likely to happen in future? So what we can expect in this particular trend? Well, if you look at my perspective based on price action and based on my observation, I'm expecting a trend reversal. So I'm expecting the stock prices to reverse a little bit and to change this overall trend. And also when the trend changes, all these uninformed traders, all these weak players who have involved into the stock, all these weak players who are holding the positions, they are likely to get trapped. They are likely to liquidate their positions at an unfavorable price. And if the stock prices fall further, I think the stock prices might go all the way down till 1350 or more than that. And I'm expecting there is a 57% chance that could happen. The probability of trend reversal is somewhere around 57% as per my analysis. And also, in case if we see any kind of surprises, if there is any strong involvement of buyers, if there is any strong increase in the buying pressure, the stock prices might rise even further. The stock prices might go beyond 1500. And in my perspective, in my opinion, there is only 43% chance or 43% probability of trend continuation. I'm not expecting the trend to continue further, but if there are any surprises or anything that hits the market, then probably we may see a further continuation in the trend. I'm not ruling out that possibility. So I'm more bearish on this particular stock, but at the same time, if things change, I usually change my mind. As most of you already know, I'm actually a trader, so I trade as per the price action. So price action is my guide. If price action changes, I change my approach. That's it. So that's the analysis on United Breweries. So here is another important point. If you are planning to trade this particular stock on, if you're planning to take a short trade here, if you're planning to initiate a bearish position, so you have to initiate the trade on futures and options, because we are looking at this particular price action on 4-hour chart. So whatever trades we are finding on 4-hour chart, it's likely to take 2 or 3 weeks to work out. So you cannot initiate the short position on cash market. You cannot do this on equities. You need to use derivatives. You have to execute either in futures or you have to buy a put option now. On the other hand, if you have an alternative opinion on this particular stock, if you're expecting the stock prices to continue further, if you're going to go for a long trade or a bullish position, then make sure you take a small risk. You don't take too much risk on this particular stock. So you try to reduce the position size and execute the trades properly. Try to buy at a proper support level and try to reduce the risk. So that's the overall outlook on United Breweries 4-hour time frame on the price action of United Breweries. So if you want me to look at any particular stock, if you want me to look at any particular scripts of your favorite choice, if you want me to look at any stocks or any cryptocurrencies or any commodities, you can leave it in the comments below. At the same time, if you like this particular video, click on the like button, and last but not least, hit on the subscribe button, tap on the notification icon. You can receive more interesting analysis just like these. And finally, thanks a lot everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.